This was me. 60-hour weeks, constant context switching. My to-do list was a monster that only grew while I slept. I was trading my time for dollars, and I was running out of time. I thought this was just the price of success, until I discovered a form of magic that most people still think is science fiction. It's called no-code, and it didn't just make me more efficient, it gave me my life back. My aha moment was realizing I wasn't a worker. I was a workflow designer stuck doing manual labor. I was the human glue between different software. No code allowed me to replace myself as the glue. I went from being the cog in the machine to the person who designs and oils the machine. My first target was a weekly client report. It took me 4 hours every Friday. Here's the no-code magic I built using Make.com, formerly Integromat. Trigger. A new row is added to my Data Google Sheet. Action. Make.com grabs that data. Action. It populates a pre-designed Google Slides template. Action. It saves the presentation as a PDF. Action. It emails the PDF directly to my client. I went from 4 hours of tedious work to a system that runs in the background while I sleep. The time savings alone paid for the tools in a week. Next, I automated my lead management. I used Tally for beautiful free forms, Airtable is my database, and Make.com to connect them. Now, when someone fills out my form, a personalized email draft is waiting for me in Slack within 60 seconds. I cut my response time from days to minutes, and my active work on it from 30 minutes per lead to 30 seconds. Social media was a huge time suck. I built a content bank in Notion. Using automation, I can now batch create a month of content in one afternoon. With one click, it's all scheduled out using a tool like Buffer or directly via Make.com. My online presence is now consistently active, and I don't even think about it. You don't need to be a programmer. You just need the right tools. My 2025 arsenal is Make.com, the brain. It connects everything, like digital duct tape. Airtable, a super-powered relational spreadsheet, your database. Softer, to turn your Airtable base into a client portal or internal tool. Tally, for creating beautiful, powerful forms for free. Notion, for organizing everything, projects, wikis, content calendars. These tools are the building blocks of your automated empire. The real change wasn't technical, it was mental. I stopped asking, how can I do this task faster? And started asking, how can this task get done without me? I transitioned from being the chief doer in my life to being the CEO, the strategist who designs systems. My value is no longer in the hours I put in, but in the outcomes I design. Your journey starts with one single repetitive task. Identify the pain. What task do you dread every week? For example, data entry, sending follow-ups. Map it out. Write down the 3 to 5 steps on a piece of paper. Google it. Search how to automate your task with Make.com. I guarantee there's a tutorial. Start small. Your first automation might save you an hour a week. That's 50 hours a year back in your life. No code isn't about being lazy. It's about being smart. It's about valuing your time, your energy, and your sanity. You have the same 24 hours as everyone else. The question is, how many of them are you spending on work that a computer could do? If you're ready to stop trading your time for money and start building systems, let me know in the comments with the word automate. For a step-by-step guide to your first automation, check out the playlist on screen now. Like, subscribe, and take back your time.